Hi, my name's Crawford Cullen and I'm a Senior Manufacturing Engineer within the Machining and Additive team at the Advanced Forming Research Centre.
So I'm Karima Hilton, I'm a Manufacturing Engineer at the AFRC. I do love the technical side, so the element of going to speak to the machine technicians, programming, using the software, that's my favourite part of it.
Additive manufacturing is a relatively new technology, whereas we're 3D printing with metal. So we have a machine where we can take a broken part, subtract material where it's damaged, add new material on and then remachine it to give you a new part. So we use some technology called VeriCut. So we can take a process where we'll use CAD/CAM to manufacture a part. Before the actual part goes on the machine where it could be scrapped or a technician could do the wrong process, we run it through virtual simulation of the machine and the process. So personally I've been to Germany, France, Switzerland, Italy a few times. So they're quite, and obviously we travel around the UK to different catapult centres. There's 7 catapult centres, so we tend to visit them as well.
I think a big part of being a good engineer is to be able to communicate with others, to be able to work in a team, because if you're in a team and you don't get on with one of your colleagues, a lot of projects won't be as successful. So teamwork, communication, good people person, yeah, and being able to successfully execute a project, you'd have to have good planning and organisational skills as well. I definitely think maths and physics. A lot of people don't like maths, but I think it's something to really stick to because we do use it on a daily, weekly basis, so it's a really good skill to have. And if you enjoy maths, then engineering is the way to go.
So I came down the apprenticeship route many years ago. So I'm not degree educated. I served a 4-year apprenticeship as a toolmaker, but I think it work hard and it pays off.
So I did aeronautical engineering at university, but mechanical engineering is also a good option. A few of my colleagues also started off as an apprentice. We're all on the same level of the career, so it doesn't matter if you have a degree or if you have do your apprenticeship, you get to the same place in the end.